So today I'm showing you guys how I fixed the 4 green blinking lights of death on my Arrma BLX ESC. Not sure if it's going to work for everybody, but I searched around on the forums. The only things I could find was your ESC is bad. Best thing you can do is pull it off. If it's covered by warranty, send it back to Arrma. They'll swap it out. And most people said, they really didn't have any problems with Arrma doing that for them. But then you're still down without an ESC for a while. And me being an RC hobby, I'm an impatient person. I like to play with my vehicles. Obviously, I don't baby them. You can see it's dirty, back end beat up, typical granite characteristic there, beat up shell. So to fix it, what I ended up doing was, well, describe the problem here is that you turn the truck on. You have 4 blinking lights green right here on the ESC. You have steering control, but you won't have any throttle. You can adjust your throttle trim on your transmitter, still no results. So what I did was unplugged the ESC from the battery, and when I unplugged my motor leads and plugged the ESC back on, I would get the red blinking light instead of the green. And at that point I was able to turn it off, hold down my set button, and turn it back on and go into the programming mode. Once I got there, I basically plugged in 2 of my motor leads. I tried plugging all 3 back in at that point and then turning it off and turn it back on, and it would just go right back to the 4 blinking green lights of death. If I only plugged in 2 of the motor leads, don't ask me why I tried just 2 of them, then I would get power to my motor. I would have throttle control again, but it would be weak. And at that point I plugged in my 3rd wire and everything went back to normal, where I had throttle control, steering. Now at this point I was either decided I was going to send my ESC back because it was broken, busted, whatever. So I figured I had nothing to lose. Take that with a grain of caution. I wouldn't try this unless it's your last resort. I'm not sure if it'll avoid your warranty, if it could cause any other damages. So it's just something to try as your last resort. Another thing, while I got the cover off and looking around, these are Arrma Outcast 4S BLX body mounts. You can see they got the little additional knobs here, and then this is the Arrma Outcast 4S wing and rear bumper. I also put the front bumper on, which I had to trim the very ends of it off because if not, I was running into some issues where it would rub on the tire. So as you can see, it's a real close fit, but it works fine now. But yeah, also when I installed the body mounts, I had to drill some extra holes. But once that's installed like that, it really does help. Okay, at this point my phone decided to stop recording audio. Basically the saying that adding the rear wing really protected the back of the body. Uh, and my plans for the future are to purchase a new, like, an Outcast body, maybe an original Granite body, I'm not sure, or something totally different, and that it would be better protected because of the rear wing. Anytime we land on the back end, backflip, flip over, that back end just really got torn up. Uh, so guys, if you like this video, thought it was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.